Mastery practice question 4. If log xa plus log x 1 over a equals to t, what is the possible value of t? Okay, so here we have log in the same base. So in the same base, and we have plus in the middle, we can simplify this to become a times 1 over a. If plus, you can convert it to times, you can multiply these two, equals to t. So a times 1 over a cancels off, so it will be left with 1 now. So log x 1 equals to t. And according to the law of log can be base anything. Let's say 5. As long as here is 1, you will get 0. Log 15 is 0. Okay, the base doesn't matter. As long as this is 1, the whole thing becomes 0. So t equals 0. Done.